Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. I'm Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you how to paint this cute little fox with paw prints. Okay, so I've already laid down 2 coats of Concrete Kiss on these 3 nails and 2 coats of Rustic Sparkle on Pinky and the thumb. Okay, so I'm going to be painting a fox on the middle nail, and for that I'm going to be using Hemlock, Serious Black and Snow White, and I will be using the Neo Nails 01 brush. So to start off I'm going to be using Hemlock. And I'm just going to get the basic outline of my fox's head. So starting with the top of his head and some little pointy ears, just rough. You can always tweak this if it's not quite right. And I'm going to be bringing this into a point in the middle. So we're wanting that sort of shape. When you're happy with that, that can go into the lamp for a full cure. And then I'm going to be using Snow White for the fox's face. So just filling in the bottom of this nail. If you need to build this up in 2 coats, you can do. Okay, put that in. So I'm going to go over that again just to make it a little bit whiter. And it can go for a cure. That I'm going to be using just a small dotting tool just to add some detail into his face. So he needs a big black nose. And then with the smaller side of that dotting tool, do 2 eyes either side. Okay, that can go for a quick cure. And then using the Neo Nails 001 small detailer brush, using Serious Black, I'm just going to paint some little triangles in his ears. And using Snow White, tiniest little bit, just going to drop in his eyes, like that. And then a very, very faint line down the side of his nose, just that it's catching the light. Okay, you can go in for a full cure. Okay, so we're going to do his big bushy tail coming up onto this nail. So using Hemlock again, which is the perfect fox colour. I'm going to start off quite thin, bring it out. And just take the colour up into that general direction. Don't worry too much about what's going on up here because we are going to be bringing white down onto it. So as long as you've got the depth of colour that you want, that will be fine. And that can go into the lamp for a full cure. And then back using Snow White, we can figure out where the tip of his tail is going to be. I can start bringing that white back down like that. And then start feathering this back over that orange. Just nice feather strokes to kind of get that wispy hair effect. So I'm going to pop that in for a cure and then go over that again just to build that white up. So just going back over that white just to build the colour up. And when you're happy, that can go in for a full cure. Okay, so these 2 nails can be top coated down. Okay, so on this nail I'm going to paint some paw prints on there. But first I'm going to top coat it, and that can go in the lamp. Okay, so back using Hemlock and with a small dotting tool. Just going to do like a soft upside down love heart shape, and I'm going to do a couple of those going up the nail. And then with a slightly smaller dotting tool, I'm going to do 4 very small dots above them. And before that goes into the lamp, I'm going to sprinkle some clear acrylic powder over them just to give them a matte effect. Tap off any excess, and then that can go into the lamp for a full cure. Okay, so dust off any excess acrylic powder and it leaves them quite matte. Like that. So I'm going to finish these nails off with coconut cuticle oil. I love those paw prints, they're so cute. So here's the finished product. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. All the links to the product used in this video will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.